Hello, this is me, Ry the Puppet Fan, and here are some sad news today. My Nana's parrot, Sebastian, died. And I felt very sad. And if you're a bird, you would go to bird heaven, and you would be replaced. And I really miss Sebastian. And she was sick. And she lived a very long, good life. She was over 30 years old. Quaker parrot's lifespan is 30. And she lived over 30, and she lived a very long, good life. And it's very sad news. And thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel. Bye.